Good morning and welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me at MarketSite is Amish Shah. He is the president of ALTR, Created Diamonds, and we are going to focus on disrupting the $80 billion diamond industry. Thank you so much for joining us at MarketSite. This is one of my favorite days of the year, why I enjoy coming to work, getting to look at all this gorgeous jewelry. So tell us about the diamond market, why it's prime for disruption right now.
I think as a third generation family, what I've seen is the diamond industry's lost connection with the consumer. If you look at the marketing, and when we talk about the desire for diamonds in the younger millennials, as well as people are starting to lose that desire. With Created Diamonds, we have the ability to bring that desire back.
Right.
This is the first time in the last 100 years that she can get the diamond that she really desires.
Do you think part of it is younger millennials are looking for ethically sourced diamonds, and could it also be because they are in fact not as rare as the industry portrays them to be?
I think Created Diamonds has something that mined diamonds can't offer. If you really see, the power of Created Diamonds lies in its beauty, size, and the value it offers. So when you look at when you talk about the aspect of carbon footprint in that comes as a nature, as a characteristics of the product and how it's made. Mm-hmm. However, what's the beauty is the value that the consumer gets. She wants to go home with the largest diamond she can, and Created Diamonds gives her that.
Well, it's interesting because De Beers is famous for its slogan in 1947, "A diamond is forever," but at ALTR, you're saying that a diamond is about passion, not commitment. Explain that.
See, what we believe in is it's all about the love. Where the biggest part is, it's not the diamond that shines, it's she that shines brighter. And when ALTR gives us the opportunity to get the largest possible diamond that she actually desires. See, this is the first time where she can get what she desires and can wear that large diamond home.
All right, well, tell us about the technology that goes into lab-grown diamonds.
ALTR Created Diamonds are grown with a proprietary technology. It originates from the technology from the 1950s. But as time has passed between research and development, we've come to a point of combining a couple of technologies and creating a proprietary process. We're the only company in the world that has vertical by nature in terms from growing all the way bringing to the finished jewelry to the consumer.
Mm-hmm. Now, would you call synthetic diamonds diamonds? And what about cubic zirconia or moissanite? Would that fall into that category? How do you differentiate the two?
I think the beauty of what FTC did 2 weeks ago was diamonds are diamonds. Mm-hmm. Everything else is your simulant, is synthetic, fake. What we have to know is that a diamond, irrespective of how it's born, beneath the earth or in a laboratory, it is a diamond. A moissanite, a cubic zircon, is a simulant created from a chemical.
Right, because lab-created diamonds and mined diamonds, the common element and only element that they share is carbon, right?
Yeah,
so that's
absolutely.
what the difference is between, let's say, cubic zirconia, which is a synthetic element, versus the actual element that these are both created out of.
Absolutely. One difference that I will point out here is where Created Diamonds step higher than mined diamonds is the type 2 element.
Right.
Created Diamonds are ALTR Created Diamonds. All ALTR Created Diamonds are type 2A diamonds, which is the purest form of diamond found on the earth.
All right, a little bit of chemistry in here today as well, right? So how much less expensive are lab-grown diamonds?
ALTR Created Diamonds are almost a 40% better value for the consumer, and she goes home with almost a 50% larger diamond.
All right, well, that's always a good thing. And would you say that the demand for diamonds is dead or dormant, or this is a way to really get the consumer back into this,
I refuse to the part that I heard years ago growing up, that the desire for diamonds is going down because they don't want it. I think what we have to realize is every girl wants a beautiful diamond. It's just something they have to be able to afford.
Right.
And this is the opportunity where she gets what she wants.
All right, to wrap it up here, let's look at a couple of the pieces that you have. It looks like to the corner closest to you that shows the difference in terms of a lab created and a mined diamond. And you can see the size difference for sure.
Absolutely. Think about it. That's a little over 1 carat, and that's a 2 carat that they can get at a Helzberg Diamonds that carries the brand today. And for a value little under $10,000, it's almost a 40%, 50% larger diamond.
Right. I mean, you could also see it here too. I'm going to venture to guess, even though I don't know which one is the mined and which one is the lab created, just by looking at the size.
Because they're
you can
both
tell.
diamonds.
Right, right. So then this would be, that's going to be the mine, and this is going to be the lab created.
Yes.
For sure. All right. I mean, these pieces they're absolutely gorgeous.
And you can get to see them at Hellsberg Diamonds, Borsheim's, and a lot of reputable stores that carry the brand. And the most inspirational part I can tell you is that every day as consumers connect and understand and see the value, she shines brighter.
All right, well, they're absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank
at
you so much,
MarketSite.
Jill.
And thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.